You can click the global Add button to add a quiz. Or you can add a quiz on the Materials page by hovering at the required position and clicking the plus Add button, and then clicking Create Quiz. Enter the required quiz title and click the Create Quiz button or the Enter key. The quiz will be created in draft mode. Click the quiz card. You will be taken to the quiz editing page where you can add questions to the quiz. To add a fill in the blank type question, click the plus Add Question button and then click the FIB question. A pop-up window opens. Enter the question's text. This is the text that will appear on the quiz. Highlight the word or phrase that needs to be made a blank and then click FIB. The answer will be converted into a blank and will be added as a right answer under blank details. You can add multiple options to a fill in the blank. If all the options are marked as correct, then a blank will be shown to the learner to fill the correct option. Else, a drop-down with all the added options will be shown. Enter the required score for the question. If you want to set the correct answer to be case-sensitive, tick Case-Sensitive Comparison. If required, enter the right and wrong answer feedback, which will be shown to the learner when they get the question right or wrong. Optionally, you can insert an image or embed a video by clicking Insert and choosing the required option. You can assign any criteria or objective from the attached rubric to the question, or a new rubric will be automatically created for you to add a new criteria or pick an objective, which can then be tagged to the question. Click the Add Question button to add the question to the quiz. Click to add the match the following question. A pop-up window opens. Type in your question. Enter choices with their respective matching choices in the same row. Add a minimum of 3 or more rows. Then click Add Question to add the question to the quiz. Click to add a MCQ. A pop-up window opens. Enter the question text. Type in a minimum of 2 options for the MCQ. You can also add an image to any option. Tick the correct option. Then click to add the question to the quiz. Click to add one-word question. A pop-up window opens. Type in your question. Type in the correct one-word answer in the text box. If required, you can click the Add Option button to add more options. Learners will get the question right if they enter any one of the options that you have added. Then click to add the question to the quiz. Click to add open-ended question. Unlike all the other 5 types of quiz question, open-ended question are not auto-graded, and as an instructor, you need to grade them. Type in your question. By default, the file submission option will be enabled to allow learners to upload a document for this question. Enable textual submission to allow learners to type their answers in the text box. If required, you can limit the number of characters for the textual submissions. You can also allow learners to record audio for open-ended quiz questions. Once enabled, learners will see the option to record audio during their attempt. Then click to add the question to the quiz. Click to add one-word question. A pop-up window opens. Type in your question. Choose the correct answer from true or false. Then click to add the question to the quiz. You can also change the quiz question scores, except for FIB, from the quiz edit page. If required, change the quiz settings. Click Published. Then click Save to save the changes. Once a quiz is published and saved, notifications will be sent to learners to notify them of the quiz being published and available for making submission.